Have you ever opened a finance app and felt instantly overwhelmed? You're not alone. Millions of young adults want to take control of their money but don't know where to start. I'm Amanda Benitez, and I created Blossom Advising to change that because I've been there too. I wasn't taught how to budget or manage debt, and every time I looked for help, it was either too complicated or left me feeling worse. Blossom was born out of that frustration. I wanted to build a solution that makes financial growth feel simple, supportive, and personal. At Blossom Advising, our mission is to help people overcome financial stress with personalized, easy-to-use apps. We simplify budgeting, eliminate debt confusion, and build lasting confidence. Our vision is a world where financial literacy is accessible to everyone and where money becomes a tool for growth, not anxiety. Financial illiteracy is more than a personal issue, it's a national problem. 43% of families in the U.S. can't meet their basic needs. Most people were never taught how to manage their money. And current budgeting tools are either too generic or too advanced. This leaves millions stuck in debt, stressed, and unsure where to turn. That's the problem Blossom is built to solve. Blossom Advising is a mobile app built specifically for people who feel lost when it comes to money. We combine beginner-friendly education, personalized budgeting, debt tracking, and goal planning to make an all-in-one supportive space. Our users make smarter money decisions, reduce their anxiety, and finally see real progress on their path to financial freedom. With Blossom, you're not just managing money, you're building confidence. So how does Blossom actually work? We designed the user experience to be simple, supportive, and beginner-friendly from day one. Step 1, discover and download. Users find Blossom in the App Store and sign up. Step 2, learn the basics. They start with an easy-to-follow video that explains key financial concepts. Step 3, get a plan. Once they connect their accounts, Blossom creates a personalized budget and debt payoff roadmap tailored to their goals. Step 4, grow and thrive. We send gentle tips, reminders, and progress updates that keep users motivated and on track. It's like having a financial coach in your pocket, cheering you on every step of the way. The financial wellness space is massive and growing fast. Our total market is valued at $120 billion, including U.S. spending on budgeting tools, financial planning, and credit services. Our serviceable available market is $45 billion, targeting 90 million U.S. adults between 18 and 40. And our serviceable obtainable market is $225 million, based on reaching that 0.5% of that group, each spending about $10 a month. With the right mix of mobile marketing, social media, and community partnerships, Blossom is positioned to capture a powerful share of the market. The personal finance space is crowded, but it's also flawed. Apps like Mint, Rocket Money, and Credit Karma offer helpful tools, but they tend to focus on people who are already financially literate. Many users find these platforms confusing, impersonal, or even discouraging. Blossom Advising is different. We combine financial education, personalized planning, and emotional support into an all-in-one beginner-friendly platform. Our focus on building confidence, not guilt, makes Blossom the go-to solution for users who are just starting their financial journey. We're meeting users where they are, online and in person. Our strategy combines digital marketing through social media, influencers, and App Store visibility, campus ambassadors and university workshops to engage students directly, and community events to build trust and reach underserved groups. This mix allows us to build awareness fast, gain early traction, and grow a loyal user base. We've already built our brand, launched our website, and tested our prototype. Next is our app launch and first 100 downloads, expansion through ambassadors and workshops, and collaborations. Our 3 to 5 year goal is 2,000 downloads, partnerships, and break-even growth, positioning Blossom as a leading financial wellness platform. Our mobile app is designed for people who are struggling to understand their finances and want to take control of their money. Blossom helps users avoid common financial mistakes by reducing bad spending habits and building real financial literacy step by step. Whether you're just getting started or trying to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, Blossom makes it simple to learn, grow, and thrive financially. Join us and let your financial journey blossom.